One of the world's best fried chicken dishes is chicken 65. Here are the basic ingredients for chicken 65. For marination: chicken, yogurt, ginger, garlic paste, curry leaves, black pepper powder, cumin powder, salt to taste, red chili powder, rice flour, and oil for frying. For tempering, prepare 1 tablespoon oil, 2 green chilies, 1 tablespoon garlic, 10 to 12 curry leaves, a half teaspoons black pepper. Step 1. Wash and clean the chicken cubes. Step 2. Add the yogurt, ginger, garlic paste, curry leaves, black pepper, cumin, salt, chili powder, and mix well with the chicken cubes. Step 3. Marinate for 30 minutes. Step 4. Add rice flour after 30 minutes and mix well again. Step 5. Heat the oil in a wok and deep fry the marinated chicken till golden and crisp. Step 6. Heat oil in another pan and add green chilies, garlic, curry leaves, and sauté till fragrant. Step 7. Add the fried chicken and toss well. Lastly, add some more black pepper and curry leaves and toss well again. Step 8. Your chicken 65 is ready. Serve hot and enjoy.
Please subscribe for more healthy, wealthy facts for you.